So this Losmandy clamp has a bit of a problem. What happened was, this is a good one from one of my other devices. This cap unfortunately snapped off and rounded out on the inside. So unfortunately that just stops it from being able to be screwed on. So just a little bit annoying really, primarily around the fact that I would have to get an Allen key out all the time. So I tried to find replacement ones because they're a odd size, because they're imperial. I can't get any in Australia readily. So what I've decided to do is I'm going to put this good one on the counterweight setup, because that one weighs a lot, and this here, which is I think it's 3/16, I'll go and double check, socket here. I ended up doing a 3D print, so this is going to be the new knob, and what's in there is the socket head that's been measured out. So I just need to push that in, and I hope that I can find the right angle. There we go. Alright, it's I can't really pull that out readily at all, so I'll just mount this back on. Okay, done deal.